Alright guys, another useful video here, order of operations. It's been a while since we've done this, so it's always good to get some practice. Looking at the first problem here, remember we treat absolute value signs just like parentheses because they're a grouping symbol. So we take care of them first in the order of operations. So here what I would do is I would have a negative 5 times the absolute value of negative 2 to the 0 power. 0 power, 0, there you go, plus 9 times negative 4 plus 10 is 6, positive. Remember, you can use those same signs, add them up, different signs, subtract song I taught you. Here, next in order of operations, I need to take care of these exponents. Remember, any absolute value, it's going to be positive. So I would have negative 5. The absolute value of negative 2 is 2, but when we raise it to the 0 power, remember, anything to the 0 power is 1. Plus 9 times 6. Now it's just a matter of doing the multiplication. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. And 6 times 9 is 54. 54 minus 5 is 49. That would be my final answer there. Now, the next problem would be one of those ones where I need to simplify each expression by substituting the values in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that here. I'm going to substitute the values in and see what this thing comes out to be. Z is equal to negative 12. X is equal to just positive 3. That's going to be squared. Minus Z again is negative 12. I like to put these in parentheses. And Y is negative 4 divided by X, which is 3, plus Y, which is negative 4, times X, which is 3, times Z, which is negative 12. Okay, so now it's just a matter of following the order of operations here. What I would do is I would look at this absolute value sign first. It's going to be negative 15, and it's squared, minus, here I'm just going to go ahead and multiply the negative 12 and the negative 4, which gives me a positive 48 divided by 3. I'm not going to go ahead and do that yet, but I'm going to go ahead and come to this next one, which is plus negative 4, and then 3 times negative 12 is negative 36. Now I need to take care of the exponents next, and again, anything inside absolute value becomes positive, so that's positive 15. And hopefully, if we can remember way back to what I asked you guys to remember with exponents and perfect squares and square roots, 15 squared is 225. So positive 225 minus 48 divided by 3 is 16. And here I'm going to have a negative times a negative, so that's going to be a positive, so it's plus. If I use the distributive property here, I can do that, which would be 4 times 30 is 120, and 4 times 6 is 24. Sorry, 120 plus 24 is 144. And now it's just a matter of adding these numbers together. Using, if I change this sign to a plus negative, I can add them in order, any order I want, using the commutative property, my favorite property of all time. I would add the 144 and 225 first to get 369, and then that I'm going to be subtracting 16 from that because it's different signs. Subtract. We'll keep the sign of the larger number, which is obviously positive. 9 minus 6 is 3. 6 minus 1 is 5, and 3 minus nothing is 3. So the final answer here would be 353. I hope you found this video useful. Good luck on this portion of the quiz and the tests. If you practice this, order of operations problems will become very easy for you.